guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing front raises. When we do these, we are going to start standing with our feet directly below our hips. We're probably going to have our abs engaged and our glutes engaged. I really just don't want you guys to lean backwards as we do these. Lower the weight if that's the case, okay? So there's a couple different variations where we can do them. We can bring both dumbbells up so that way they're parallel to the ground at the same time. We can bring one up and then the other. Or we can do the very challenging variation where they're both up and one comes down and back up and the other down and back up. Those are really challenging. And we can also do a single dumbbell variation, and this is going to be really helpful for those of you guys who just have heavier dumbbells, where you just do one with both hands. These are super challenging, guys, and they are going to crush your delts. So for more awesome delt exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.